slide. That one. Look at the slide over there. You want to go in there?
Mama.
I go in that one?
Yeah.
Okay. Ready? You better hold on real tight.
Mama.
You only have mittens on. Hold on tight.
Mama.
Okay.
Mama.
Say hi to Daddy.
Hi.
Show Daddy a kiss.
Are you having fun?
Yeah.
All right.
Hi.
Whoa.
Yeah. Hold on with both hands, please. Want to go down the slide? Okay.
Oh.
She can get down now.
Oh, really?
Good girl.
No, no, no.
Little rear end. Nothing to it. Whoops. Where did Bryn go? You're as white as your gloves. White.
Whoa.
I see you. I see you. Watch where you're going. Whoopsie daisy. You're okay. You fell. It's okay.
She hit her nose?
Oh,
No, she hurt her nose. Oh, nose.
Come here. Aw, it's all right. Yeah. Mommy, kiss it better.
Did you hit your nose?
You want Daddy to kiss it better? Come on. You're okay.
She hit her? What happened? What happened, baby? Did you fall?
Come on, put your handy back in. We'll clean the gloves off. It's okay if they're dirty. All right. You're covered in mulch.
Eee.
How about the little slide, Bryn?